Look at it. Look how I look. This just, I'm gonna put this back in the ponytail because I'm done with this. I ain't lying. Every time I think about it, I think about the money I wasted. Alright, you guys. So, I am coming to you with a video that I really never done before. I've never had to do one of these videos. But today, it just has to be done. It's just something I gotta do. Because I would hate for somebody to end up in my situation. Like I ended up in the situation. Oh, woo! Alright. So let's get into it, you guys. So today, as you can see by the title, it says I'll be exposing a hair company. Exposing is a huge word, you feel me? I got my Boys in the Hood shirt on today. You guys can purchase from Route 21. This ain't no sponsored video. I'm just saying, you know. Anyway, so today this video will be me exposing a company called All Love Hair. They have their own website, and also you can find them on Aliexpress. You guys, let me just run you down the story. So you guys know that I do hair reviews, and that's really how I started to come about and popping up on certain pages, certain websites and stuff like that, because I do hair reviews. And majority of the time, I'm just gonna explain, companies send me hair. They want me to review it, of course, to let you guys know what hair is good and what's not so good. I'm sure they don't want me to be like, hey, don't get this hair, it's not good. But I'll tell you guys what's good and what's not good, because I wouldn't want you guys to go and purchase some hair that isn't good and this company is raving about it, and you know it's really not that good. So I'm the one to break the deal for you guys in the company. So this time I just went out and just purchased some hair, just because I was like, let me just go out and purchase some hair and see how it is if a company doesn't send me the hair and I just buy it myself, because I hadn't bought hair in so long. It had been like going on like 2 years, maybe 2 years, that I had not purchased hair, because I was just getting it in. People were just sending it in for free, just for me to do their review. So this time I was like, let me go ahead and purchase it. So I purchased the hair from All Love. I'll leave their website somewhere on the page. You guys can try it at your own risk. I wouldn't try it again personally, just because you're gonna hear why I wouldn't try it. But anyways, back to the story. So I went out and purchased it, and I was like, okay, they had a deal. I'm not sure what the deal was. I'll probably put it on the screen if I can find it. And it was a good little deal for the wig that I have on now. This is a 13x4 Brazilian lace front wig. So it has about a parting space right here. Parting space goes all the way back here. The lace is supposed to be seamless, which is like transparent. It's supposed to be transparent lace, and so on and so forth. This is a 20-inch, supposed to be a 20-inch, and it is natural color, because you know it comes natural. Okay, so I'm waiting on the hair. It says 3 to 5 business days. It doesn't come in 3 to 5 business days. It comes in over like 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks for it to get to me, I think. That one I just brushed it off because it was kind of around a holiday, I believe. And I'm like, maybe it's because it's around a holiday and that's why they haven't sent it yet. So whatever, I get the hair in. I'm like, oh my god, it feels so good. It looks so pretty. And I'm going to insert some clips, because I also shouted this hair company out on my Instagram, which I will leave somewhere on the screen. I did tag them in my video, because I did post about it, because I loved the hair at first. It was amazing. The cap was also just a little bit too small. It said it was an average cap, but it's a little too small. So anyways, okay, those points get knocked down, but I'm not tripping over it. I'm not tripping because I'm loving the hair. Like, As you can see in the video on the screen, the hair looks so good, the frontal looks good, everything looks good. Okay, so about a week goes by and I'm wrapping my hair up every night, tying it down. I use BioSilk when I do my hair, but I don't put a lot because I don't like my hair to be weighed down. And the hair starts to tangle and it starts to get matted and raggedy at the ends. So I'm sitting here telling myself, it's only been a week that I had the hair. Why is it doing all of this right now? So I'm like, okay, maybe I need to wash it. So I wash the hair and the top of the frontal gets matted so bad. So I'm like, what the hell? And as I'm combing through it with a wide tooth comb, now I'm not using like one of those little skinny prongs. I'm using a wide tooth. The hair is falling out. So I'm sitting here like, what am I gonna do? Why is the hair? So whatever, I finessed it. You can't see because it's in the back. I finessed it, whatever. So another week goes by because it's been almost like 3 weeks I had the wig. But I waited to do the review so that I can make sure everything is the way I think it is going. 2 weeks go by and the hair is so, look, if you can see how stiff it is, look how stiff it is. It's so, like, when you rub against it, it feels like synthetic hair. Like a Barbie doll's hair. Look how, it's, I would never purchase this hair again. Like, I looked at some of the reviews on here and they were like, oh, you just gotta brush it a couple of times, but that's it, Hell no. I'm really shocked because there's no way that your hair should go that bad in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks and my hair was already a mess. And this is why I leave it in a ponytail, because like I'm going to wear the wig I paid for. Like, it's okay enough for me to wear, but it does look raggedy. Like, first of all, it's thin. It was supposed to be 180 density. This is not 180 density at all. This is trash. And I hate to get on here and like go so hard about a company, but you guys have seen like my videos on the companies that I thought was my top 5 from doing it, but this is not on my list at all. Like, I would not purchase it. Like, if they were to reach out for me to do a review, then maybe I'll do another review to give them another chance, because I'm all about second chances. The third strike, you're out. No, the second strike, if it ain't good on the second strike, you're out. But this, I just feel like maybe they need to change up their vendor. Probably try like a different vendor or whatever, a different type of hair, or maybe it was just a bad batch, because some people fail to realize sometimes you can get a bad batch of hair out of a bunch. But I just don't know. This must be the bad batch of hair, because this looked a mess. This is a mess. I'm not happy. I'm not pleased. And I ain't really want to come on here and rant about the company, because you guys know I always love to give constructive criticism and stuff like that, but this was not it all love. And I think that you guys should listen to a couple of your reviewers, because I did see about 1 or 2 people who kind of said the same thing I said. But you gotta get on the ball. Every company has potential. It's just to see how far you'll go to make your customers happy. So this is my little review. As you guys can see, I've laid my baby hairs. It looks pretty decent. I like it. I mean, I like the way it looks. I can finesse anything, but that's me. But just think about somebody who could not finesse it. Oh, and let's not talk about my band. The little bands, the strap bands that go in the back. That popped off. How does that pop off on week 2? Can somebody explain? These hair companies need to get it together. Okay? Alright, I ain't gonna ramble on too much longer about this hair. I'll take it down so you guys can actually see what it looks like. Look at it. Look at it. Look how I look. This just, I'm gonna put this back in the ponytail because I'm done with this. I ain't lying. Every time I think about it, I think about the money I wasted. And for you guys asking why did I just not do a review about it, because I do have some people who do want to know the truth. And I'm one of those people who want to know the truth. Some people just like to live in a lie. And I won't be the one lying to you guys saying that I love this company. Not happening. So you guys, that's just my input on the situation. It's my opinion, not the opinion of others. So you can either take it when you go and purchase a hair and have in the back of your mind Victoria being like, don't do it, maybe you should try a different company, or read some reviews on it. Or you can just go ahead and purchase it and then be in the same predicament I'm in. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video.